Back to the shadow. I will not take long. In this kingdom, we will endure. The greenwood shall not perish. They have entered our domain. Be gone.
Mar Khalifan, we are ready for anything. The enemy is out there. Have we run out of wine? Our path is certain. Stay to your post.
Further refined.
We'll stand guard. None may enter the greenwood but by the king's consent. Trespassers beware. Remember to inspect each and every barrel. My
Trespassers, to arms!
None shall escape. Stay to your post. Move on.
Steel yourselves! I shall have to find another way. Such is the nature of evil. Revel in the heirlooms of our people. In this kingdom, we will endure. Look out! You do not command me. Go, Wahi. They threaten our sanctity. Double the watch. Back to the shadow.
Recall your company. Yes, they will die.
They dare challenge our might.
Hold your
Defend our
ground.
structures.
Enjoy yourselves.
This battle will be remembered. Give them no quarter. Their evil presence cannot be borne.
Our watch is unwavering light on this land.
This battle will be remembered.
The greenwood must be protected. A stalwart defense.
Trespassers, to arms! We must protect our lands.
We have sworn to defend King Thranduil's halls.
The enemy fortress is in ruins. Go, now.
Who are you, and what do you want? You are mine!
They march against us.
Die, thing of shadow. Follow my lead. Seek out the hidden paths.
I am at the king's command.
100 years is a mere blink in the life of an elf. Turn them out.
Trespassers, to arms!
Not no enders. Shadow under threat has been called. The woodland realm must be defended.
Have we run out of wine?
Our duty lies amongst the trees.
They march against us.
A sleepless mass. We must split up to find them quickly. The stars are veiled. My Govanum, in Legolas Thranduilion.
Our scouts have sighted the enemy.
The eye of the enemy is moving.
Trespassers,
The white gulls are crying.
to arms!
Leave them in peace.
The Elven King's wrath has been victorious.